Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by verifying the device supports an alternate face and that the OS is current. This matters because system updates add stability. Once done, set the phone on a steady surface, enable good, even lighting, and position the alternate person at eye level. Make sure battery is above 20% and temporarily remove obstructive screen covers. Now open Face ID settings and tap Add Alternate Appearance. Follow prompts slowly, so the device captures reliable depth and texture data. You'll see a circular frame and instructions to move the head. Follow them deliberately. Slow, smooth rotations give the depth sensor clearer geometry. Once the first scan finishes, do the second pass to capture additional angles and expressions. This reduces false negatives. If the alternate person normally wears glasses or a hat, first scan without them, and then, if the system allows, with them for better real-world performance. Make sure faces are relaxed. Exaggerated expressions can skew data and reduce match accuracy. You finish by testing unlocks in bright, dim, and side-lit conditions. This validates robustness. If you encounter failures or frequent rejections, don't panic. Reset the alternate face entry and rescan with steadier lighting and less background clutter. That usually resolves issues. Make sure the device's attention-aware features are set as you prefer, and always keep a secure passcode as fallback. If problems persist, reboot the device and try the full enroll flow again. Consistent positioning makes the biggest difference.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.